Welcome to A Scene on Social Media, where normal people put viral social media posts to the test.
Hey guys, welcome back. So an awesome fan on YouTube by the name of Joe sent us a video by the name of how to make a bionic airplane that flies like a bird. And in the video, which I'll show you some clips, he makes an airplane out of A4 20-pound paper, just like this. And with some practice, we actually came up with an airplane exactly like his in the video. And what we're going to do is we're going to put it to the test and see if we can actually get it to fly
like a birdie.
Like a birdie.
In the sky.
All right, so stay tuned. Hey, it came back at you.
It came back to me. I set it free. You're good at that.
Hey guys, so as you can see, we didn't have much success on getting it to fly like a bird, but it does fly very well. I would go ahead and say that his video is fake to an extent. It doesn't fly like a bird, but it does fly well. So I want to thank Joe for sending us the video. Make sure to check us out on Facebook. If you like this video, hit thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, if you see any unbelievable bullshit out there, let us know. Peace.